Alright, now we're doing 7Q bumps in the road. This is by PG1 and 92% of the people like it. Our car is old and it breaks easily. The shock absorbers are gone and we think we can handle about 15 more bumps before it dies totally. Unfortunately for us, our drive is very bumpy. Given a string showing either flat road or bumps, if we are able to reach home safely by encountering 15 bumps or less, we're going to return woohoo, and otherwise return car dead. All right. So first things first, we're going to turn this into concise syntax. And then we're going to, what are we going to do here? We're going to split the string, or the string by the ends, and then we're going to use a ternary operator to see if that's more than 16 or not, because when we split it by the ends, what's going to be left over is the number of ends we took away plus 1. All right, so that's why it would be 16 instead of 15. All right, so let's get that. Let's take care of that. We're going to say, what is this thing called? X dot split, and we're going to split it by the ends. And if you don't know what split is, it's the method that takes a pattern and divides a string into an ordered list of substrings by searching for a pattern, putting the substrings into an array, and returning the array. All right, and so we search for the pattern, and right here would be like, if we did this, it would be every character is in its own element, but we're doing it by end, so we're just splitting it off by the ends. And like I said, when we split it, it's going to leave this plus one's things in the thing. So because like if we split it by spaces, if there were two words with a space in between and we split it, there would be 1, 2 left from the number of this. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. So let's say dot length, and to do that, we're going to pardon me, if you don't know what a ternary operator is, it's the only JavaScript operator that takes 3 operands: a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. All right, and we're just going to use this as an if-else statement. So we're going to say if this thing right here is greater than 16, we're going to say car dead. Dead. All right, and if not, we're going to say woohoo. All right, and we're going to test it out. And just like that, awesome. Attempt it. 6 milliseconds, looks pretty fast. Submit it. All right, and it's just like this best practice here. Let's go to My Solutions. Just like I said, best practice here, in my opinion, very much like this, and we'll see you next time.